So guys, here is the forest fashion vibes camera preset from ashvircreations.com and filterpreset.com, verified from the links down given in the description. So you can just download this camera preset file, Lightroom preset file for your PC and also for your mobile Lightroom preset. Now we're gonna just extract this both the rare file. Just right click on it and select extract here, and also do the same process. Just right click on it and select extract here. So it will extract two folders. Now we're gonna install the Lightroom preset to our PC. When you will open the folder, you will find FP Forest Fashion Vibe AVC 2020. FP stands for Filter Preset and AVC stands for ashvircreations. Now .lr template is the extension for Lightroom PC or the desktop Lightroom. Now just copy this preset and we're gonna install it to our desktop Lightroom. So go to the C drive, select the user, go to the ashvircreation user, go to the app beta folder, go to the roaming and select the Adobe, and just select the Lightroom folder from here. Go to the develop preset and you can paste inside any of the folder. I would be pasting inside the FP folder. Now just paste and overwrite, and you can see here is the FP Fashion Vibe AVC 2020. Now we're gonna do the same process for installing the camera preset to Photoshop. FP Forest Fashion Vibe AVC 2020.xmp. XMP is the extension for Photoshop. So just right click on it and select copy. Now here we're gonna going to, instead of add a Lightroom, we're gonna go to the camera, then go to the settings and just paste that preset over here, and you can see FP Forest Fashion Vibe AVC 2020. Now close all the window and restart your Lightroom as well as Photoshop. Let's see how it actually looks if we apply the same preset to your photos. So let's just restart your Lightroom. So let's take some of the example photos. So let's take this photograph, and now from the filter preset, now I'm just go to the FP Forest Vibe Fashion Vibe, Forest Fashion Vibe, and when you will click and you can see the difference, it is really looking very cinematic and amazing guys. You can check the difference. Let's try it on some other photos. Let's just try it on this photograph. Just click on this and you are done. You can see the difference. It is really looking very amazing guys. Let's do it on this photo. Just click on this button and you are done. You can see the difference. It is really looking very kind of fashion forest photo with perfect green tone. Let's try it on this photo. You can see the difference. Let's try it on this. Wow, this one is looking very amazing. Let's apply it on this photograph. Wow guys, this is really a dope preset. You can see the difference. It is really looking very cinematic and kind of giving your photo a very amazing look, Let's apply it on this photo. Wow guys, it is really enhanced and amazing here. You should download this preset and use in your photos to color grade it. You can see the difference. Here is the muted and you can see the difference. Totally a new difference and new fashion vibe it is giving to your photo. Let's try it on this photo and you can see the difference. So guys, it is really an amazing preset. Now we're gonna just open the Photoshop and let's apply the preset with the help of camera preset. Do the same preset adjustment with the help of Photoshop. Now here we're gonna just take some of the example photos to test this preset. So just go to the, let's just open some of the photos. Let's try this old photographs. Just drag and drop to Photoshop. Now here go to the filter, select the camera and go to the last tab, that is a preset tab, and from there you're gonna just select the FP Forest Fashion Vibe. Here is the FP Forest Fashion Vibe ABC 2020, and guys you can see the difference. Here is the before and here is the after. This one is really looking very amazing, guys. You should check this out. I'll just hit OK. Let's apply it on some other photo. Now here you're gonna just directly go to the filter and select the camera, so it will automatically select the previous preset. You can see the difference. Here is the before and here is the after. Let's try it on this photo. Here is the before and here is the after. So guys, I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed, then just smash the like button, and if you still not subscribed, then subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified of our videos and presets. And also guys, don't forget to download this mobile Lightroom preset, that you can just do it in your copy in your mobile phone and just apply it with the help of Lightroom application. I'll put the links down given in the description. And also guys, don't forget to visit our website, that is www.ashvircreations.com. From there you can download backgrounds, camera preset, Lightroom preset, LUTs and many more cool photo editing as well as video editing stuff for free. And also guys, don't forget to visit our second website, that is filterpreset.com. On that website is how we're gonna soon upload the most creative and the powerful presets. So stay tuned on that website also. And also guys, don't forget to follow us on Instagram, just type ashvircreations. So guys, thank you for watching and bye bye till the next video. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome.